What's up, internet? Hey, YouTube. Getting ready to install KRIEGA Panigale kit. Same kit for the Streetfighter, to put these straps in here so I can have KRIEGA bag on top of my bike. Check it out. New dry bag for the back of the Streetfighter from KRIEGA. The KRIEGA US10 dry pack and special fitting kit for Panigale, and the same kit works for Streetfighter. All right, so the story here is I've been looking for a bag. 10-12 liters was the goal, so I can have my rain gear, some tools, and all the stuff I don't want to carry on my back in my backpack on the Streetfighter. And that way, if I do a little day trip or even overnighters, I can have some rain gear here ready to grab and the rest of my stuff in my backpack. These have special straps for the fit kit. The newer ones, you need the Streetfighter V4, is the same kit for Panigale. So there's the bag, and we'll get it all set up later. These are the straps to attach. These are some extra standard frame bags that you can just loop on to any frame and use the same bag. So I'm thinking that'll fit on the 700, so I can use the same bag on both bikes. And like I was saying, this is the special fit kit for Streetfighter and Panigale. For the new ones, use the V4. There are old model Panigales that you can get kits for, so just make sure you get the right one for your bike. Install looks simple enough. Unlock your back seat, pop that seat off. Skipped ahead a little bit here. We need to remove these plastics, and so undo these two bolts. Don't mind this. And then on both sides underneath, these two, and I've already done this side, and then this will just come loose. All right, so this little piece, because there's no preset holes here, there's no hardware back there, this piece slides over the back. That's a view from underneath, so that we end up with just the ends of these sticking out to attach the rack. And if you've never taken them off, there's a little rubber fitting here, so I just work this loose. And there we go. I'm just gonna slide it over, and I'll clean this up underneath here while I've got it all open. They also warn you it's a tight fit. This has to go underneath that little bit, that gap in the plastic. So you're gonna have to make that and poke the loop up. And with the magic of television, all clean. Slide this thing on. So here we are, super simple. Just slid that over the top. And this is the part where they say this will be tight. So you basically have to have both those straps trapped under here when you go into that fitting. So from the bottom, there's a little lip here, and we want to slide this over on both sides so it's right inside this notch. There it is. They weren't kidding, that is a tight fit. I had to like wiggle it back and forth to get it on. Nice, let's put it back together. So here you can see this is supposed to go underneath this plastic piece, underneath here. And you can basically push the light down away and then slip this under. And it is a tight fit, but it's gonna hold the bag, so we don't want it going anywhere. I actually love it when you take stuff apart and then you get to clean underneath places that you usually can't get to. All right, so just getting the rest of these little screws back in. There we go. And then we'll get back on top and I'll show you how to do these ones. All right, so in your KRIEGA fit kit, here's the new hardware. It's included in the kit. 4 washers and 2 bolts. Here's the old bolt. You can see how tiny those were, because now we need to get in these 2 washers and the strap. And so that extra length is going to pay off. Right, and so the deal here one washer in between this rubberized part, one washer on top, and the bolt through, so it sits like that. And that strap will be just outside here, just like the rear one. So one tip here to get these guys in, you're really gonna have to put some weight back here and make sure this is all the way in so that your threads line up, because it's gonna look like it's far off, but when you push on it, it'll go in place. Just like that guy. There it is. And you can see here, this stitching, it's a tight fit, but it'll go flat right where my seat's gonna sit. This side's really tight, so I'm gonna have to get the seat in there to get that to seat down. Let's lock it in. So the seat will be locked in, so then that's all in place. There we go. When you get the seat in and you lock it back in place, that's really secure. Ready for the bag? One quick note for North America. This Panigale kit, the V4 kit, is not available in North America. So I actually had to order these from KRIEGA directly out of the UK. And they came under a week, so there we go. You can buy KRIEGA bags in Canada, but hopefully they get all these fit kits in stock soon. First look, pretty cool. The hardware is beefy. These are really thick metal straps. Probably tuck that through here. Now obviously once there's some gear in the bag, it'll fill up and take some volume. These are all adjustable. They're also quick release, so you can pull the bag and leave the straps. And it's a roll top, and so this is actually dry bag style. And I'll fill it up and we'll check it all out. So here we go, cool little bag from KRIEGA. I saw this first on Prit Vadar. Go check out his Instagram. So 10 liters, folding top. You can see there's a little zip bag on top for your wallet or things you want to grab quickly. On the flip side underneath, there's actually a mesh pocket, so you can also stash some extra gear under there. And we're ready for the road. Let's do it.